In the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, which is deep in empire, literally still having controlling royal families of minos, meaning Muslims in name only running it, women need their husband's approval to do anything outside of the home, such as acquiring a driver's license. Also, believe it or not, in 2024, not 1824 or 1624, in a tweet, which are now called excretions after a former illegal immigrant now turned edgelord and eugenicist took over Twitter, a certain mentally unwell CHINO, meaning Christian in name only, excreted this vulgar statement. In a Christian marriage, a wife should vote according to her husband's direction. He is the head and they are one. Unity extends to politics. This is not controversial. Now, why did the CHINO say such a controversial and fallacious thing, do you ask? Well, because he suffers from the same mass mental confusion as the Mino, and because there has been a campaign going on to remind the feminine that within the freedom of liberal democracy, within the ballot box, that is a private space, and a woman has the power to vote however she chooses without her homo vulgaris husband knowing. On a deeper level, real spirituality, which is about the powerful esoteric inner journey of each soul in the soul school that is Earth, which is intimately tied to nature and the cosmos, will inevitably lead the evolving soul to the realization that the feminine and masculine have equal value in perfect balance. As more evident in esoteric, nature-based practices such as the 10% esoteric aspect of Islam, that is Sufism, or the 10% esoteric aspect of Christianity, that is Gnosticism, in which individuals can have direct experiences for their own self-development and evolution of consciousness. Modern Abrahamic religion throughout the world, however, 90% of which is of empire, has co-opted and watered down esoteric practices and mirrored them back to front, removing any of the esoteric and making them only exoteric, meaning outer, replacing those natural evolutionary internal processes with simply a hierarchy of male figures to be subservient to. God, Allah, Buddha all claim to be male, Jesus claimed to be male, Satan claimed to be male, and then a priest class in which, surprise, surprise, no women are allowed, of course. And the more one's been indoctrinated into such fallacious systems from their youth, the more that's taken literally and historically, and the more one becomes an ultra, supposedly conservative, but really ultra regressive, mouth-foaming reactionary, who has complete blind allegiance to male authority, which then think they are above them in status and supposedly authority over their wives, which are supposedly below them in status, thus promoting male patriarchy, theocracy, which falsely claims the masculine is superior to the feminine, resulting in them forming dark imperial political blocs, which not only want to destroy spiritual nature, but also reduce women's rights throughout the world. And in closing, any man who's hopefully a member of Homo Illuminatus and has been successfully married for many years, inevitably comes to the realization that their wife is the real boss at least 50% of the time.